Hello guys, today we're going to show you how to use a launch thermal imager, TIT-202, to diagnose your vehicle. Whether it's your brakes, your engine, your cooling system, the tool allows you to effectively detect your vehicle's components. Combining this tool and launch's coverage database, you'd be sure to improve your diagnostic capabilities. Here is the structure of the TIT-202. It's a 3.5-inch screen. The keyboard is user-friendly, and the camera can save up to 20,000 pictures. So now the launch thermal imager is on, and we're going to do some readings. Here's an example of your oxygen sensor. There's your temperature. You can see the heat. Right here is a picture of your alternator. You can see the heat radiating from it. And also you can go to the database and you can find good and bad pictures. For example, here's a misfire coil. That's a known good picture here. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a good picture. If you go here, that's a bad picture. 1, 1, 2, 3. You don't see the fourth coil. Also, it gives you tips on what the problem may be. Thank you for watching, and please look for more launch videos to come at launchtechusa.com.